You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to the podcast. Today, we're starting our Switzerland series with a big picture, how a landlocked country can still be one of the smoothest international moves when you have the right guide. Here's the key. Even though Switzerland has no seaports, your shipment travels ocean freight to a nearby EU port, often Germany, Italy, or France, and then overland to your new Swiss home. That extra leg requires precision, paperwork, and partners you can trust. That's where SDC International Shipping steps in. From your first planning call, we built a door-to-door plan, export packing in the US, ocean or air leg to Europe, bonded overland transport into Switzerland, custom clearance, and in-home delivery with placement, assembly, and debris removal. Your dedicated SDC coordinator keeps you updated at every milestone, so you always know what's next. Here's some custom basics you should know. First, Form 18.44. You need a detailed inventory list, passport, Swiss residence permit, and lease deed copies. These are your core documents. Items should be owned and used for 6 or more months in order to qualify for duty-free entry. You, as the owner, should be present in Switzerland during import in order to clear used household goods duty-free. Don't worry, we'll help you avoid restricted, prohibited pitfalls like new goods or bulk food, alcohol taxes. Remember, there's no drugs or weapons allowed, or cleaning fluids. And our expert-grade packing creates the compliant inventory customs expect. This will reduce delays and stress. Switzerland rewards planners. With SDC, you get a clear plan, compliant documents, and a calm arrival. Start your Switzerland move with a tailored plan. Visit sdcinternationalshipping.com or give us a call, 877-339-0267 for your free international moving quote.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.